In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change background color in PowerPoint in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're refreshing an existing presentation or starting from scratch, altering the background of your slides can dramatically change the look and feel of your work. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to customize your presentation to better reflect your content's mood, tone, and theme. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once PowerPoint is open, go ahead and open the presentation you want to edit. To change the background of a slide, navigate to the slide where you want the new background applied. If you want to change the entire presentation, you can apply it to all slides later. Now, right-click anywhere on the slide where there is no text or object. From the menu that appears, click on Format Background. This will open the Format Background panel on the right side of your screen. Under the Fill options, you'll see several choices. Solid Fill, choose a single color for a clean and simple look. Gradient Fill, blend 2 or more colors for a more dynamic effect. Picture or Texture Fill, use an image or texture as your background. Pattern Fill, select from preset patterns for a designed look. If you're changing just the background color, select Solid Fill, then choose your preferred color. You can also adjust transparency if needed. As you make changes, you'll see a live preview on your slide, allowing you to experiment and find what works best. Once you're satisfied, you can click Apply to All to change every slide, or simply close the panel to apply it only to the current slide. Remember, your background should enhance your presentation, not make text hard to read. Always choose colors that maintain good contrast and readability. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background color of your PowerPoint presentation. A well-chosen background can make your slides more visually appealing, professional, and engaging for your audience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy PowerPoint tips. Happy presenting, and I'll see you in the next video.